The EagleTec KG011 is a budget-friendly mechanical keyboard that boasts some impressive features for its price point. This white keyboard with RGB backlighting definitely catches the eye. The lighting is customizable with 5 different modes and 5 brightness levels, plus adjustable breathing speed and programmable RGB. While the keycaps aren't double-shot, the lettering is crisp and the manufacturer claims it won't scratch off, which is a plus. The aircraft-grade aluminum and ABS construction feels surprisingly sturdy, giving the keyboard a decent heft. It definitely doesn't feel cheap. The clicky blue switches are the stars of the show. They offer that satisfying tactile feedback and audible click that many mechanical keyboard enthusiasts crave. They are described as having medium resistance, which is a good balance for both typing and gaming. EagleTec claims these are equivalent to Cherry MX Blues, and while I can't confirm that scientifically, they certainly feel similar. The KG011 also boasts N-key rollover, meaning you can press as many keys as you want simultaneously without ghosting, which is essential for gaming. The spill-proof design is a welcome addition, offering some peace of mind against accidental spills. While marketed as a gaming keyboard, the KG011 is equally suited for office use. The full-size layout with a numeric keypad and multimedia keys is convenient for productivity tasks. The included WASD and arrow key exchange feature is a nice touch for gamers, and the lockable Windows key prevents accidental interruptions during gameplay. Compatibility is broad, working with Windows and offering limited Mac OS support. Overall, the EagleTec KG011 offers a lot of bang for your buck. It's a solid entry-level mechanical keyboard with attractive RGB lighting, clicky blue switches, and a durable build. While it may not compete with high-end keyboards, it's a fantastic option for those on a budget looking to experience the world of mechanical keyboards.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.